Hey, hi everyone. So you already aware that we are building a Doctor AI application. This is a virtual doctor. Basically, it will help you to analyze your report, and the report could be anything like if you have CBC report or if you have X-ray or MRI, okay, or ECG report, okay, anything if you have. So it will help you to analyze it, and then based on the analysis, it will recommend you like what kind of diet you should follow or which doctor is best doctor in your area, like whom can you can consult actually. So those kind of recommendation this AI doctor will give you, and also like if you need like proper medicine, okay. So in that case, your AI will connect with the actual doctor, and your actual doctor, like AI is already summarize your report, so it will directly transfer that report to the doctor, and doctor will based on your summary report, it will give you some prescribed medicine, and you can download it also. Okay, so this is a all about here this tool basically. And now if you go to the any of the section like DocAI, so there are different virtual doctor basically, and each of the doctor are specialized. For an example, if you have CBC report, so we have a virtual doctor. So when I say virtual doctor, this basically there is no physical doctor. It's just a AI doctor basically, who will analyze your CBC report and who will help you to, if you have some basic query, basic stuff, it will solve it. But if you need some advanced things like you need medicine or something like that, then in that case, this AI, this let's say CBC AI, I'm calling it, like who is specialized in reading CBC report. He will transfer your message to the actual doctor, and your actual doctor will generate or he will write your medicine, and then it will shared by you. Okay, so that things. Okay, let's come to the our discussion. So very first thing, let's say if you want to use this tool, so what we need to do. So uh, let's say very first we have to go to the doctor AI section, and now we have different doctor over here. So each of the doctor is specialized in one of the area. And now if I click on the laboratory part, so here this doctor need your report basically. So very first thing you have to upload your report, like it could be CBC report or it could be anything like liver function test or kidney function test. Okay. So let's say if I have some report, so what I will do, I will click on upload, and I will let's say if I have one sample report over here, and then what I will do, I will click on upload button, and it will take hardly a few seconds, and then you will get your report, in-depth summary of your report basically. Now you got the report basically, a summary report you got based on your uh, a report which you uploaded basically. So now you can see like this is recommending many things to you, like it is giving the short summary. Is there anything which is not into the range, like or any diet recommendation for you, like based on your report? Okay, it's not generating randomly. Okay, it is just like it is analyzing your report, and based on your report, it is recommending everything to you actually. Okay, let's say if you have a specific question now, you can ask now. Okay, like the same way like you communicate with the doctor actually. Let's say you can ask any question, like yeah, I'm asking simple question: is my hemoglobin is in range? So yeah, now like it's mentioning that is in the range basically based on my report actually. Okay, so if you need any if you have any other question, like you want to ask, like suggest me diet or suggest me something, it will help you to in that one also. And now I was mentioning about the medicine. Okay, it will prescribe medicine, so that part is under development. And yeah, just this is just a prototype, like so that can be developed easily, because there we have to connect with some real doctor who can prescribe the medicine based on the report also. Okay, so this is all about the tool. And in the next video, we are going to explore what are the tools and technology we are using to build it. Okay. So it's very straightforward, nothing advanced technology. Like, okay, just myth that people are using advanced technology. Okay. It's very simple. Like, okay, we'll come to that part also.